Let's talk about something sitting in your kitchen right now: garlic. Yeah, that little thing you throw in your pasta? It's actually a straight-up immune system powerhouse. Garlic doesn't just add flavor, it fights off sickness like a ninja. We're talking viruses, bacteria, and even inflammation, all with just a little clove. In this video, we're breaking down why garlic is one of the best foods you can eat to boost your immunity, and how to actually use it right. Why your immune system loves garlic. Your immune system's job? Keep you from getting sick. And garlic? It gives your body the tools to fight better, faster, and smarter. Garlic has something called allicin. That's the magic stuff. It gets released when you crush or chop garlic, and it goes straight to work. Allicin boosts white blood cells, your body's soldiers, and helps them kill off invaders. It's like giving them superpowers. It also reduces inflammation, which is a big deal. Chronic inflammation weakens your system. Garlic helps calm that down. How to use garlic for max immunity? Here's the trick. Crush it and let it sit for 10 minutes before you eat or cook it. That's what activates the allicin. You can eat it raw if you're brave, or add it to salad, soup, toast, whatever. Just don't fry it to death. High heat kills the good stuff. Start small, maybe 1 clove a day. It's strong, and your body needs time to get used to it. Real talk, why it matters. You don't need fancy supplements or weird pills. Sometimes the strongest medicine is already in your fridge. And with flu season, stress, and all the junk we deal with, your immune system deserves every boost it can get. So next time you're cooking, show some love to garlic. It's cheap, easy, and your body will thank you. If you learned something new, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, where we keep it real, simple, and healthy.